Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Samsung 9100 Pro Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD, highlighting why it's perfect for gamers and creators alike. Let's get started. Product features: blazing fast PCIe 5.0 speeds, with sequential read speeds up to 14,800 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 13,400 megabytes per second. The 9100 Pro nearly doubles the speed of previous models, letting you handle large files effortlessly and boost gaming or editing workflows. Exceptional random read and write performance. Achieve up to 2200K IOPS read and 2600K IOPS write. This ensures smooth multitasking, instant game loading, and fluid performance in AI applications or content creation without any lag. Advanced power efficiency. Powered by a cutting-edge 5nm controller, the drive improves power efficiency by up to 49% compared to the 990 Pro, reducing energy consumption while maintaining maximum performance. Optimized thermal management. Advanced thermal controls keep the SSD at ideal operating temperatures, preventing overheating during intensive tasks and ensuring reliable, consistent performance over time. Seamless Samsung Magician integration. Monitor drive health, apply firmware updates, and enable encryption effortlessly. Samsung Magician software ensures your SSD runs at peak performance with built-in security and maintenance features. Perfect for content creators and gamers. Whether editing 8K videos, handling large CAD files, or loading AAA games, this SSD provides the speed, reliability, and responsiveness needed for modern high-demand workflows. Future-proof storage solution. Designed with Gen 5 NVMe technology, the Samsung 9100 Pro prepares you for next-gen systems and applications, ensuring your storage remains cutting-edge for years to come. Pros: ultra-fast PCIe 5.0 read and write speeds, exceptional random IOPS performance, enhanced power efficiency with 5nm controller, advanced thermal management for reliability, full Samsung Magician software support, ideal for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Cons: higher price point compared to Gen 4 SSDs. Full speeds require Gen 5 compatible motherboard. Final thoughts. The Samsung 9100 Pro Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD is a groundbreaking storage solution that redefines speed, reliability, and efficiency. Perfect for gamers, creators, and professionals, it handles everything from massive file transfers to high-end gaming with ease. If you want maximum performance and future-ready storage, this SSD is hard to beat. If you're ready to upgrade your storage to next-level speed and reliability, the 9100 Pro is the way to go. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more tech insights and top product picks.